In today's business environment, the average employee has to authenticate into their PC, files, and various applications 26 times a day. This translates into 11 hours per year spent logging in, setting and resetting passwords. Even worse, passwords are not secure. They can be easily phished or compromised by a variety of attack methods. This is why business leaders and standards organizations alike are moving to passwordless multi-factor authentication. Imagine working in an organization where passwords are no more. In this demonstration, we'll show you HYPRspeed, a function of the HYPR True Passwordless MFA platform. You can see my phone on the right-hand side of the screen and my MacBook computer on the left. The same can be done on a variety of platforms, including Windows, Linux, and of course Android phones. First, I open the HYPR app on my phone. I click on the blue button to start the authentication process. Note that as the user, I invoke the authentication process rather than it beginning on the server side. The HYPR app in this case is configured to take my biometric data, and it authenticates. No passwords or shared secrets involved. And I have now successfully logged into my workstation. This level of secure authentication is important for the workstation. Think of all the confidential information on my computer and cached content that may be stored in my browser. Now that I have passwordlessly logged into my computer, I'm going to get my day started. Without HYPR, I'd have to pull out another password or authenticator app to access the apps I need. Again, an average of 26 times a day. Not anymore. I'm going to open up my browser and head over to my organization's single sign-on portal. We use Okta, but you can use virtually any other SSO in the same way. And you'll notice that based on my successful biometric-based authentication to my desktop, I seamlessly authenticate to my instance of Okta with no additional steps. With HYPRspeed, there's a single passwordless authentication from the desktop to the cloud. Because every organization is different, HYPRspeed empowers the administrator to define how often a user must re-authenticate or what risk conditions trigger a step-up authentication. It's that secure, that seamless, and that easy. You can see how HYPR lets you remove all passwords and shared secrets from your authentication process from the desktop to the cloud. This provides the security you need for your organization and the fast, seamless experience you want for your employees. If you'd like to learn more about HYPR, please contact your local rep or visit us at hypr.com.